everybody. So we're in our lovely new gazebo and we have our lovely new playground. Who can tell me what they like best about the new things that we have?
The climbing frame.
Why do you like the climbing frame?
Because you can climb and be active.
So you can climb and be active, wonderful.
Yeah, they're roll balls.
So you love the roll balls. Why do you like the roll balls?
Because I can do like flips on it more.
I noticed some of you do some amazing flips as well.
The trim trail.
The trim trail, why do you like the trim trail?
Because it's fun and we can do it really quickly.
Lovely. And what do you like best?
The trim trail because it's got loads of different activities.
Yeah, it has. I've seen you all on it. And shall we do one more?
I love all of it because of how unique and fun it is to play on.
Okay.